Beroe Negotiations, powered by nnamu. The best negotiation outcome starts way before the first supplier interaction. Beroe has introduced two powerful new capabilities for competitive negotiations: Suitability Diagnostics and a total value of ownership configurator, making advanced negotiation methodologies accessible to every team member on every project. Before negotiations even begin, Suitability Diagnostics recommends the best negotiation strategy using Beroe market intelligence and your project context. The guided TVO configurator replaces complex spreadsheets with a simple guided workflow, building a complete total value of ownership model in just 15 to 20 minutes. Every supplier proposal is evaluated on total value, not just price. The result? Teams are achieving average savings of up to 15% compared to just 6 to 9% with traditional price-only negotiations. From strategy selection to supplier award, Beroe Negotiations powered by nnamu helps procurement teams make faster, smarter, and more valuable decisions. Request a demo at beroeinc.com and discover how AI-powered negotiations, proprietary market intelligence, and game theory come together to unlock greater value from every sourcing event. With Beroe, you're always in the know.